Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Instead of covering a scratch off today, I'm going to cover the best draw game and tell you why it's my favorite. Welcome to today's Lotto lecture. Welcome back. Today we're going to be covering Jackpot Triple Play. Picture to the left, you can see what that ticket looks like. Here's some quick things we should know. The top prize begins at $250,000 and increases with each rollover up to $2 million. The ticket price is going to be $1 without the combo and $2 with the combo. The overall odds are going to be 1 in 15.24 without the combo, but are going to be 1 in 5.28 with the combo. In case you didn't know, this is how you play Jackpot Triple Play. It draws on Tuesdays and Fridays at 11:15 p.m. These ticket purchases will close at 10:55 p.m. There are 3 ways to get one printed. You visit a Florida Lotto vending machine. I've never used one of these. I don't know how they work. I just know you can print draw games from them. You can visit a retailer and ask for a quick pick, or you can fill out a paper sheet and have the employees scan it, but I noticed that you can only actually select the first row of 6 numbers, and rows 2 to 3 will always be picked by the computer. Without the combo, each row has 6 numbers, match 3 to 6 on any one row, and then you earn the prize. If you win on multiple rows, the prizes add up. With the combo, you add these same rules as before, but if you match 4 to 10 on any row, so if you see numbers from the top on multiple different rows, you win the prize as you add them up. And all prizes earned with the combo, without the combo, in any way stack. Now we'll take a look at the odds of each prize. Picture to the left, this is the table for Jackpot Triple Play without the combo. You need 3 to 6 to at least win something, and 6 is the jackpot. For with the combo, there's a lot more prize brackets, but no like jackpot prize, and it begins from 4 and ends with 10. Even though it isn't a scratch off, I still thought I'd compare it to our top scratch off just to put some of its numbers into context. It's important to calculate the chances per dollar since not every ticket costs the same. $300 is divisible by all ticket prices, so we'll assume this is our budget. And we'll compare this with our current top chance ticket. The formula we're going to be using is one top prize times our $300 budget divided by the cost of the ticket for every X tickets. For double your money, that is going to be 60 over 672,000 for 1 in 11,000 for every $300 you spend. For Jackpot Triple Play, that is going to be 300 over 3.1 million for 1 in 10,000 for every $300 you spend. That means this ticket just performs slightly better when it comes to winning a top prize. Next, we'll cover this ticket's expected value. Pictures to the right, you can see the 3 tickets on the non-combo ticket that you can expect to win. And here is the 7 that you can expect to win on a combo ticket. The jackpot prize fluctuates, so I'm not going to add it into the EV calculation. But I am going to value a free ticket in the combo section as $2, since that is the cost of a new combo ticket. At $2 million, if no jackpot is won, the prize rolls down, increasing its EV. It essentially takes these 3, not these 7, and increases the value of each of them. For the last one, it went from like 500 to 800 and went from 25 to like 34, but the $1 remained unchanged. The formula we're going to be using is the prize amount times the odds of the prize for each prize over the cost of a ticket. For the non-combo version, that is going to be 500 times this number, 25 times this, 1 times this, over 1, and that'll give you about a 19% return. Obviously, you don't get 19 cents back when you buy a ticket. This is a mathematical value that's just going to tell us that if you buy an arbitrarily large amount of tickets, you'll get about 19% of what you spend back. For the combo version, that is going to be 10,000, 500, 50, 20, 10, 5, and 2 times its associated values over $2 for the ticket, and that's going to give us a 29% return. And this represents how much money we'd expect to win back per ticket with an arbitrarily large amount. Obviously, you can't buy a ticket and get 28 cents back. That's just not how it works. And this return rate is god-awful. This is the worst out of any of the scratch-offs we've covered. Until I cover more draw games, I'm not sure how this relates to other draw games, but I know that when you compare this to scratch-offs, this is terrible. You basically pay an extra $1 in the combo for an EV boost without any extra jackpot odds, which I don't think justifies playing the combo. I prefer playing the non-combo. So to summarize, the odds to win a top prize on any one ticket are going to be 1 in 3.1 million. The adjusted odds for a $300 budget are going to be 1 in 10,000. Your expected value when buying a ticket is going to be about 19 to 29%. And the odds are the best out of anything we've covered, but the return is the worst out of anything we've covered. But if you're watching this video before December 9th, 2025, when the next jackpot drawing is, now is the single best time you can buy it. Its top prize has already reached its limit of 2 million, and since it's at 2 million, if nobody wins, it rolls down, meaning your expected value goes up. So the expected value is up, and the jackpot is as high as it could possibly be. Combined with it being the single best odds for a ticket we've covered so far, if you're going to play a ticket right now, I suggest Jackpot Triple play. Thank you for watching today's Lotto lecture. If you liked it, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss tomorrow's lecture on $10 Monopoly Secret Vault. And let me know if you actually want me to cover more draw games. I actually don't really like the draw games. I typically only cover the scratch-offs. But Jackpot Triple Play is the exception to that rule, so I decided I'd cover it today since it's the best it could be right now. So if anyone wants to play it, now is the time. But I could also cover maybe Powerball, Mega Millions, the other stuff if people want to see that. Otherwise, I'm going to go right back to just doing the scratch-offs until we cover them all. But remember, play smarter, know the odds, and I'll see you tomorrow at 5:45 p.m. EST.